Class day 16, video 2, page 18. Exercise B. Read the following pairs of sentences. One sentence in each pair is correct and find the correct one. Okay. Ronnie is sure he will come to his party, and Ronnie is sure him will come to his party. This is the wrong sentence because him, you can't use him here. It's not making sense. Put tick on the first sentence and cut the second one, this one. Second, I think them in Alice swimsuit. I think it is Alice swimsuit. So this is the right sentence. This is the wrong one. My hobby is playing the piano and drums. What is yours? The other sentence of this, my hobby is playing the piano and drums. What is you? What is you mean? This is the wrong sentence. Cut this. First one is correct. Mrs. Gary gave these books to I. This is the wrong sentence because we can't use I for ourselves. We use me. So this is the wrong statement. Mr. Gary gave these books to me. This is the correct sentence. Put tick on it. Okay, again next exercise C. Complete these sentences by choosing the correct option. Okay. The boy played very well. The headmaster said the school is proud of them. Why we use them here? Because boys are plural. Put tick on this and cut the him. Lisa wants to use the phone. Shall I allow? Lisa is girl. So put tick on her and cut the she. Which country do you belong to? Put tick on you, cut the your. Ron is riding the bicycle which Uncle John gave him. Put tick on him. On his birthday, he loves riding it. Cut her. It belongs to him only. Standard exercise. Leave this exercise. We are not doing this. If you want to do, you can do on book.